In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to a Squarespace announcement bar. By the end, you'll have a simple, eye-catching message at the top of your site that directs visitors exactly where you want them to go. First, look to the top left of your Squarespace editor for the search icon. It's a quick way to jump straight to any setting without digging through menus. Give that a click to open the search panel. In the search field, type announcement bar and select it from the results. This takes you directly to the dedicated settings for the banner that appears across the top of your site. It's perfect for highlighting promotions, important updates, or timely notices you want every visitor to see. If the announcement bar isn't already on, enable it now. As soon as you toggle it on, you'll see a preview appear across your site. The bar will automatically adopt your site's design settings, so it should look consistent with your branding without extra work. Next, enter the announcement text you want to display. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented since space is limited. Think of it as a headline, something that quickly conveys the value and points people in the right direction. After typing your message, click Attach Link. This is the key step that makes the banner interactive and drives traffic to the page or resource you need visitors to see. Now, paste in the link you want. You can use a full URL to an external page or a link to a page within your site. Make sure it's accurate and includes HTTPS if it's an external address. A clean, correct link ensures your visitors land exactly where you intend. If you're promoting a time-sensitive offer or announcement, double-check the link destination is live and ready before proceeding. Once you've made your changes, click Save at the top left. Saving publishes the update so the announcement and its link will appear across your site. After saving, glance at your site preview to confirm the bar looks right and the link works as expected. If you need to revise the text or swap the link later, just return to the same announcement bar settings and update it anytime. That's all. With just a few clicks, you've added a clear, clickable path for your visitors to follow, helping them discover your most important content the moment they arrive.